Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to prepare a simple recipe for our potato omelette. So our ingredients for today is 3 eggs, potatoes, tomato and some dhania. I'm going to use my chili flakes, and I also have a little bit of flour here. So I'll start by beating the eggs. My chili flakes and my salt. Mix this together. Let's add a little bit of flour. For a few seconds. It looks like, so I'm going now to turn so that the top layer can be also cooked. Final result are here. So look at what I've made with my